In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email direct inbox using Kit Free Plan. We'll walk through the full process from setting up your email address inside Kit to actually creating and sending your first broadcast. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for so your message lands in your subscribers' inboxes looking professional. First, start inside your Kit account and head to your settings. You'll find this by looking toward the bottom left corner of your screen for the small gear icon. Go ahead and click that, and then choose the email section. This is where you manage the email addresses you can send from. Now you need to add the professional email address you want to use as your sender. Click on Add Address, then type in the email you want your subscribers to see in the From field. Try to use a branded or business email rather than a personal one, as that usually looks more trustworthy and can help with deliverability. After you add it, Kit will send a confirmation link to that inbox. Open your email in a separate tab, find the message from Kit, and click the confirmation link. This step is important because Kit won't let you send from that address until it's verified. Once your email is confirmed, you're ready to create your broadcast. At the top of your Kit dashboard, click on Send, then choose Broadcasts. This is the area where you set up one-time email campaigns that go out to your list. Next, click on the button that says New Broadcast. This opens the composer where you'll design the email your subscribers will receive. Kit will show you a few templates to choose from. Pick a template that matches the kind of email you want to send, whether it's an announcement, a quick update, or a simple text-style message. After choosing your template, start typing your content. Add your subject line, body copy, links, and any key information your audience needs. Keep it clear and concise so people understand your message right away. When you're happy with your email, look to the bottom right corner and click Continue. On the next screen, make sure Send Email is selected as the channel. This tells Kit that this broadcast should go out via email rather than any other method. Finally, review your details one last time, and when everything looks correct, click Send Broadcast. Kit will now send your email directly to your subscribers' inboxes using the free plan.